Let's look at this example. Now, in this example, there are two polygons, two quadrilaterals, which are similar. So the similarity statement is given like that. ABCD is similar to WXYZ. Or we can write like this. Instead of writing in English is similar to, we can use the symbol. Now, in these figures there are corresponding angles and corresponding sides. The corresponding angles are the angles which have the same measure in both quadrilaterals. For example, here the angle A is the same as the angle W. They are corresponding angles. So we write the angle A is equivalent to the angle W. Similarly, angle B is similar to angle X. Angle C and angle Y are equivalent. And lastly, angle D and angle Z are equivalent. Now, if you look at the written statements here, you will see that we have the name of the quadrilateral ABCD here corresponding to the name of the second quadrilateral here. So A, B, C, D is similar to W, X, Y, Z. So we just go like this. Here, A is equivalent to W, B is equivalent to X, C is equivalent to Y, and D is equivalent to Z. So it depends on the order that you are writing through. If you write in this order, then you have the equivalent angles again in this order. Now also we have corresponding sides. We are going to write the corresponding sides as a proportion, as the equivalence of ratios, like AB over WX. So we are going to say AB over WX is equal to, now it is BC over XY, and then we have CD over YZ, and then we have DA over ZY, or AD over YZ, doesn't matter. W. Now, please notice that we write the angle ABCD here, the sides of quadrilateral ABCD, and the sides of the quadrilateral WXYZ at the bottom. But this means if you start with the one quadrilateral, you keep it always at the top. If you start with the other quadrilateral or any other polygon at the down, you keep it down. You have to keep the order as it is. Now, here, we can do some calculations as we know the sides. Let's look at this ratio. Now, AB is given to be 15, as you see, and WX is given to be 5. So it will be 15 over 5, which we are going to get the scale factor to be 3. This is the scale factor, which means the quadrilateral ABCD is 3 times larger than the quadrilateral WXYZ. Let's see another example. In this example, we are given two triangles, and the triangle FGH is similar to the triangle JKL. Now, let's write the corresponding angles. So we will have F corresponding to J, and then we will have G corresponding to K, and then we will have H corresponding to L. So we can write the angle F is equivalent to the angle J, the angle G is equivalent to the angle K, and then the angle H is equivalent to the angle L. So this means the angle F here is the same as the angle J, the angle G is the same as the angle K, and then the angle H is the same as the angle L. Now let's write the corresponding sides. So we are going to write like this. So the corresponding sides are like this. The side FG is, and we are going to use side FG and JK as in FG over JK equals, then we have GH and KL corresponding, so it will be GH over KL equals, and last time, FH and JL, so it will be FH over JL. So this is our proportion to use to find this unknown side length. For example, if we were given that the side FG is, say, 5 and JK is, say, 8. On the other hand, if we are given F or GH to be, say, 3, and we are asked to find the length of KL, then we will do the following. We'll only consider this part of the proportion and write the numbers. So instead of FG, it will be 5. Instead of JK, it will be 8. Instead of GH, it will be 3. And KL is the side that we don't know. So we can say for it X. Now, we know how to solve the proportions. So what we are going to do is we will cross multiply and get 5x equals 24. So dividing by 5, we will find out that x is 24 over 5, or if you want, you can say 4.8 for the size of KL. So this is how we are going to do in similarity. We are going to use corresponding sides and proportions to find the missing sides. Now we have some examples for you to solve. In these examples, you are going to list the pairs of congruent angles or corresponding angles, and you're going to write the proportion of corresponding sides, as we have done before, according to the given here statements of similarity. So please write these all pairs and proportions and show me.